Hey everyone, this is John from AAAFx, and in this short tutorial video I'm going to be explaining the basics of the terminal window. So what is the terminal window? Well, it's the window at the bottom here on MetaTrader 4, so I'm just going to make it bigger so you can see what I'm talking about. Now, if you ever want to view it, or if you ever want to take it away and view it again, you can always just click on view, and as you see, terminal is selected. If I deselect it, it disappears. If I select it again, it reappears. So the terminal window is actually very, very important for trading. So number one, it obviously shows you your balance, your margin, and it shows you any open positions. Okay, so if there's a position open, it would appear here. Here I can quickly close the position. I know what the profit and loss is, etc. So very obviously, important information, but we also have different tabs. So you have the exposure tab. This really shows you, more about your money, how much exposure there is to risk, etc. Account history, very self-explanatory, all your previous trades. So as you can see, obviously there's the only history on this account is a demo deposit of $10,000. But you could also, if there were trades on this account, you could see all the different trades from whatever history you like, whether it's the last month or the last week, 3 days, 2 days, whatever. News would be, again, this market is closed at the moment, but this will show you all the top headline news, not only with your broker but also going on in the world. So as we know, obviously news does impact the markets quite a lot. Here you can find a lot of that good news. Alerts are, if any alerts are set up on MetaTrader 4, you will get them here. Obviously, mailbox is kind of like a mailbox between you and your broker. Just different things from the broker. It might be promotional stuff, it might be important information, whatever it might be. You can see it all here. Market is the actual MetaTrader 4 marketplace. Okay, so we'll be going a lot more into detail with this in later videos, but this is essentially where you can download different indicators, expert advisors, whatever it may be. Articles are basically articles about trading. Very simple. You can go ahead, just look up down here, you see when they were published, different what categories they are, trading systems, whatever it might be, just general important, I wouldn't even say important information, but general just articles about different trading strategies, etc. So, and there's a lot of resources here, as you can see. So anything that grabs your eye, go ahead, just click on it, have a good read. Code base is something you probably won't need to know, but this is more for the coding side, because MetaTrader 4 does allow you to create your own indicators and expert advisors within the actual software. But again, unless you're actually coding yourself, you probably won't really need to know too much about the code base. But again, it just gives you different it's a community. So there's a community of coders as well who live within the MetaTrader community, and the code base is kind of where they share ideas, different bits of code, etc. Experts. This is where all your expert advisors. Here, obviously, it just shows you that it's compiled. Again, very techie stuff that you probably won't need to know unless you're really into creating your own expert advisors, etc. And journal is just basically a log of everything that's happened. So any trade you've opened, any errors, login attempts, whatever it might be. Again, very techie stuff, things you don't really need to know. But that is basically the basics of the terminal window. Realistically, what you're going to be using is the trade tab, where you see your balance and your account history are the main two ones you're probably going to be using. So that is a quick breakdown, a quick basics of the terminal window. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again very soon. Take care.